Hey, it's me, Sachi. It's another day, another vlog. Hello guys! So for today's vlog, samahan niyo ako as I create my Get Ready With Me vlog. Since maulan outside and wala tayong magawa, hindi tayo makalabas ng bahay to, visit some cafes outside. So I just decided na mag-film na lang and, have a small chit-chat with you. So, sisimulan natin ang ating Get Ready With Me, syempre by cleansing our face. So, natapos ko na, I just finished taking a bath, guys. So, yun. So, naglinis na rin ako. Nag-wash ako ng face ko. Gamit ko yung 2 facial cleanser sa mukha ko. So, ang susunod natin gagawin is to cleanse our face using the Snail White Gold Anti-Aging Toner. Favorite ko to, guys. Next dun sa pink. Ito ay may colloidal gold. It's with colloidal gold and snail mucin. So, nakaka-help to na mag-reduce ng wrinkles. And of course, it also helps us to get a brighter and a glowing skin. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, guys, by the way, kumusta naman ang araw nyo? Today is Saturday, guys. No? So, it's my off. So, yun. Wala naman tayong gagawin masyado. Film lang tayo. So, sobrang maulan outside. So, yun. Please comment below kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin ko pa sa mga videos ko. Baka nagsasawa na kayo, guys, sa mga walang kwento-kwento kong video. So, yun. Suggest kayo, guys, kung ano yung gusto. Wag lang po makeup kasi I don't wear makeup at di ako marunong lagay ng makeup sa mukha. So, after nating i-cleanse yung face natin ng ating toner, so, pati yung leeg, the normal thing that I do or the next thing that I normally do is put a serum. So, yung serum na ginagamit is from Lux Organics. Ito siya. Ito yung Whitening Repair Ultra Glow. Ito ay niacinamide siya, guys. So, yun. So, 2 pumps lang. Kunti lang. Then, kahit nyo na sa mukha, no? Ayan na. Sa leeg, syempre. Then, tap. Then, after this, lalagyan ko na siya ng, I use this facial mask. So, this is with vitamin C from Payan Cool. It's a Korean brand, guys. Lagyan na natin. So, yun na, guys. Lalagyan na natin siya. So, ibababad mo to for 25 minutes. Mabilis lang siya. So, ganyan ko lang siyang nilalagay. Naririnig nyo ba yung lakas ng ulan, guys? So, it's really rainy season. Sana wag bumaha sa mga areas na bahain kasi kawawa naman po sila. So, yun. So, after nating ilagay ito, so, ibabad mo lang siya ng 25 minutes sa face mo. So, while waiting for that, guys, balikan ko kayo. So, there you go, guys. So, natapos na yung 25 minutes. So, tatanggalin na natin to. So, make sure lang na itap niyo siya para ma-distribute po yung mga remaining serum. Very concentrated yung serum na to, kaya maganda siya para ma-absorb ng skin. Look at that skin. So, after nating alisin yung ating mask, the next thing that I am using as a moisturizer is this Lux Organics Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. Super duper love ko to. Forever ko na yatang gagamitin. Hindi na ako nagpalit. So, this is what I'm using for quite some time na. So, mga 2 to 3 years na. Even during pandemic. Yan. So, konti lang ilalagay natin. Then, distribute it to your skin. Yan. So, minsan ginagamit ko tong mask sa gabi. Dadamihan ko lang yung ilalagay ko. Tapos, kinabukasan ang ganda ng skin. Try nyo guys. Super nice. Ang moisturizer level. So, yun lang. Ganyan lang siya guys. It suits your skin. Helps you as well with wrinkles. Ganyan. So, anti-aging na rin siya. So, yan. Super duper nice talaga to guys. So, after natin tong malagay, the next thing that we will be doing is to add the sunscreen. So, another sunscreen na favorite ko is yung Bello Dewy Sunscreen. Ito siya. So, lalagay mo lang. So, kahit hindi maaraw, dapat nagsa-sunscreen tayo to protect us from any sun damage. At saka mga UV rays. So, look at that, guys. Yan. Super nice to, guys. Ang dali din niyang ma-absorb sa skin and at the same time, look at that. Diba, guys? Super dewy ng skin. So, kahit hindi maaraw, guys, kahit nasa loob lang kayo ng bahay, make sure na mag-sunscreen tayo. May SPF 50 kasi ito, kaya super duper love ko dito. So, yun lang, guys. So, there you have it. That is my skincare. So, thank you sa pagsama sa akin. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Until my next vlog, guys. Bye!